How to plan your travel to Valley of Flower trek. Planning a trek to Valley of Flower and wondering how to start planning it from your city. Here is a quick guide on how you can plan your trek to Valley of Flower from anywhere in India. The trek to Valley of Flowers starts from Poolna, which is the last motorable point. As Poolna is a very small village, people generally plan a night stay at either Govindghat or Joshimath before the start of the trek. The searching souls provide their trekkers a stay at Joshimath, as the hotels in Joshimath are much better. So basically, to start this trek, you need to reach Joshimath. As the public transport to Joshimath is not easy, most of the organizations will provide a pickup and drop service from Rishikesh. You need 6 days to finish this trek from Rishikesh. On day 1, we pick you around 7 am from Prince Chowk, Dehradun and 8:30 am from Balaknath Mandir, Tapovan. So in a nutshell, you need to plan your journey till Rishikesh, and after that, the searching souls will take care of your entire journey. Now here is a step-by-step guide on how you can reach Rishikesh from your city. Option first is a direct flight to Dehradun airport, which is just 20 km from Rishikesh. The chances of getting a morning flight are rare as Dehradun is a small airport. So we recommend flying a day earlier to Jolly Grant airport and take a night stay in Rishikesh. Prepaid cabs are easily available from the airport. The pickups from Rishikesh are generally done from Tapovan, which is the heart of the city, and has a lot of staying option with a wide range of budget. This option may be a bit expensive but saves a lot of time, and you can even explore Rishikesh coming a day earlier. This also gives you a time to relax for the upcoming trek. Kindly note, if you are flying to Dehradun airport, then take Rishikesh as your pickup point, as Dehradun airport is closer to Rishikesh. Option 2 is taking direct train to either Dehradun or Rishikesh. Pickups are available from both the places. In case the train from your cities arrives late, you can stay back in Rishikesh. Or if you don't have a train to Rishikesh or Dehradun from your city, you can even look for Haridwar, which is just 1 hour drive from Rishikesh. The third option is flying to Delhi and then taking an overnight bus or train to either Rishikesh or Dehradun. This might fit into your budget, but long traveling hours may exhaust you a bit. If you are an adventurer and a person who loves long drives, you can drive your own car till Joshimath. The drive from Rishikesh to Joshimath is generally safe but can be a bit tiring. Avoid driving at night as it is not considered safe and you may face many police checkpoints which may not allow you to pass. Now let us guide you in planning a return journey to your city. On day 6, we will drop you back around 8 pm at Rishikesh and 9:30 pm at Dehradun. You may not find a late flight back to your city, so if you are planning to take a flight back from Dehradun, you need to plan it on day 7 and stay back at Rishikesh on day 6. If you are planning a direct train to your city or an overnight travel to Delhi, then at least 2 hours of buffer time should be considered. If planning your journey via Delhi, then overnight buses to Delhi are easily available from Rishikesh every hour. Here is a quick snapshot of how to plan your travel to Valley of Flower. For more information, visit our website.